Welcome to Comparative VPN YouTube channel. In today's video, I will talk about the best VPN for PS5 and PS4 that you'll also be able to use on PlayStation 3 with no issues. If you're a passionate gamer, apart from your beefy computer, you probably have PS5 or PS4 laying somewhere in your room. This piece of hardware is more than just a simple gaming console, and apart from gaming, you can use it to access different video and music streaming platforms. Being so powerful and versatile, you're probably wondering why should I use a VPN for PlayStation 5 or any other PlayStation for that matter? Well, that's a good question. I myself have a PS5 and I use it on a daily basis, and I can tell you what I use a VPN for on my gaming console. First off, the best VPN for PS5 and PS4 will let you unblock geo-restricted games on PlayStation Store, or perhaps enjoy geo-restricted movies and shows on Netflix and Hulu. Yes, your Sony PlayStation is capable of giving you that possibility, but because Netflix and other streaming platforms base their content according to your location, some movies and shows won't be available. This is where a VPN for PlayStation will come in handy, as it lets you change your IP address to another country, which makes any website or application you use see you as if you're really located in that particular country. This means that you can watch anime on Netflix outside of Japan or enjoy Hulu outside of the USA. Furthermore, a VPN for PS4 and PS5 lets you access international gaming servers. You can, for example, connect to a VPN server in Asia and play on the Asian servers of a particular game even though you're located in Europe, all while maintaining a relatively low latency. Speaking of which, I use a VPN on PlayStation 5 to be able to avoid DDoS attacks. It happened to me once and I despise it. I just got kicked out of the game while playing Battlefield 1 because one player executed what was a DDoS attack, crashing down my entire internet connection simply by knowing my IP address. A DDoS attack aims to disrupt your connection by overloading it with a flood of internet traffic. This can be done if a particular user knows your IP address, which is, by the way, visible all the time. However, you can use a VPN for PS4 and PS5 to change your IP address, thus hide your real IP address and encrypt your connection. This will prevent DDoS attacks and preserve your privacy. Because gaming consumes a lot of bandwidth and requires from a VPN to be fast and reliable, I recommend avoiding free VPNs. They are pretty slow, offer limited monthly bandwidth and almost no encryption, which isn't going to bring you any special benefits. Not to mention that not a single free VPN is compatible with PlayStation consoles, so yeah. Now you're wondering how to use a VPN on PS5 or PS4. That's a good question. There are several methods, such as connecting a VPN to your router using a smart DNS feature from ExpressVPN, for example, or simply connecting your console to your computer by using the Ethernet cable. I'm not going to delve deeper into how to use a VPN on PlayStation 4 and 5, but every VPN that I will present has in-depth tutorials on how to do that, and each of them has 24/7 customer support available through live chat that you can contact and ask about a step-by-step guide to connecting a VPN to a PlayStation console. As I said, it's really easy. Oh, I forgot one thing. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to stay notified whenever we publish a new useful video like this one. And now if you did that, I'm more than willing to give you my favorite VPN services for PS5 that you can also use on PS4 or even PS3. These include ExpressVPN, CyberGhost and NordVPN. My favorite VPN for PlayStation consoles is ExpressVPN. I like this VPN because it offers 3000 servers in 94 countries, making it great for bypassing any potential geo-blocks. Of course, it's able to unblock more than 15 Netflix libraries as well, just in case you use Netflix on your console. What is very important is performance. ExpressVPN is the fastest VPN you can get, and this is especially beneficial for passionate online gamers. I'm not a multiplayer guy, but if you are, you'll be able to enjoy fast-paced shooters or intriguing FIFA matches with very low latency. ExpressVPN's main focus is security. This VPN offers military-grade encryption for securing your connection, and there's an automatic kill switch that will prevent any accidental IP or DNS leaks. Furthermore, ExpressVPN comes with a certified no-logging policy, so if you use it to watch adult movies, well, no one will know, not even ExpressVPN. I like that ExpressVPN actually gives you 5 simultaneous connections on a single account. This is great because it supports all major platforms ranging from Windows, iOS, Android and macOS all the way to Fire Stick TV, routers, Smart TV and even Linux systems. Needless to say, ExpressVPN along with other VPNs on the list gives you unlimited bandwidth and offers 24/7 customer support as standard, so if any VPN issues arise, you can get help immediately. And believe me, setting up ExpressVPN on a PS5 or PS4 is extremely easy, especially with the help of customer support. Price-wise, I found ExpressVPN to be relatively affordable. This is the most expensive VPN on the list, but also a VPN with no downsides, even offering a smart DNS feature compatible with PlayStation that you can use to connect to it in less than a few minutes. That being said, I think that 49% discount and 3 months free you get for the annual plan is more than affordable. Oh, there's also a 30-day money-back guarantee for all subscription plans, so you can get a full refund in the first 30 days of your purchase with no specific conditions. Interested? Well, you can get this deal on ExpressVPN by using the following link: comparative-vpn.fr/evpn, or of course, just click on the link in the description box below the video to claim this deal on ExpressVPN. Another great VPN for PS4 and PS5 is CyberGhost. CyberGhost pumps out 7,000 servers in 90 plus countries globally, and as such is the largest premium VPN. It's not all about the size here, as the VPN even offers dedicated streaming servers that you can use to unblock Netflix, BBC iPlayer, Hulu or Prime Video easily. What's also great is performance. Sure, it's a lot slower than ExpressVPN, but when I sometimes play Call of Duty online, I test out CyberGhost and I don't notice any particular spikes in my latency. Security-wise, CyberGhost doesn't disappoint, despite its low price. It comes with military-grade encryption and there's IP and DNS leak protection in the form of a kill switch. This will ensure that your IP address never leaks to the public eye and prevent any DDoS or swatting attacks from other players. In case you care, there's a no logging policy here as well. It's not audited or anything, but it's proven that the VPN doesn't store any logs that would compromise your privacy. As is the case with ExpressVPN, CyberGhost supports every device and platform. Routers are on the list as well, and there's a smart DNS feature that you can use on PlayStation in case you want to use it for streaming. Unlike ExpressVPN, it gives you 7 simultaneous connections, which logically is a lot better. And if any issues arise and you cannot connect a VPN to your PS5 or PS4 console, 24/7 customer support will jump in and help you out. So, how cheap this VPN is? Take a look. It's significantly cheaper than ExpressVPN and even offers a 45-day money-back guarantee for all plans longer than 1 month. If this sounds good to you, you can get the cheapest deal you see on the screen along with a 45-day money-back guarantee I mentioned by using the following link: comparative-vpn.fr/cg, or as I said earlier, just click on the link in the description box below the video to claim the cheapest possible deal on this VPN. What about NordVPN? As I said, this is also the best VPN for PS5 and PS4 consoles. The VPN offers more than 5,000 servers in 60 countries globally, and this is the first condition for bypassing geo restrictions online. I mean, NordVPN works with Netflix, and due to the high number of servers and countries, you'll be able to unblock geo-restricted games on PlayStation Store in no time. We need to point out that NordVPN isn't as large. It's very fast, almost like ExpressVPN, and this is great for those who find high latency annoying. Actually, who doesn't? Much like the other 2 VPNs on the list, NordVPN's primary focus is security. This VPN offers a boatload of security features, but I like NordLynx the most, which is a VPN protocol that brings serious performance improvements, similarly to Lightway in ExpressVPN. Not to mention that NordVPN also uses military-grade encryption, an automatic kill switch, and IP leak protection for preventing any potential DDoS attacks. You can now wipe the floor with other players, and not a single jealous player will be able to execute a DDoS attack on your system. Apart from a certified no-logs policy, NordVPN supports all major platforms, offering 6 simultaneous connections, and there's 24/7 live chat support for fixing any VPN issues. Speaking of which, NordVPN can be used on PlayStation in many ways, including smart DNS through the router and even by connecting it to your computer. You can check NordVPN's website for more information about all of that. In terms of pricing, I think that NordVPN is really affordable, but I found annoying these VAT taxes that can increase the price in American and European countries. But even with this small increase, NordVPN is still going to be cheap, which is accompanied by a 30-day money-back guarantee that applies to all subscription plans. If you like what you see on the screen, you can get this cheapest deal on NordVPN, one on the left, along with a 30-day money-back guarantee I mentioned by using the following link: comparative-vpn.fr/nord1, or as I said in the previous 2 VPNs, you can find the link to NordVPN's cheapest deal down in the description below. So, after everything I said, you now know what is the best VPN for PS4 and PS5. And if you check these VPN's websites, you'll be able to learn how to use a VPN on PlayStation with no issues. My personal favorite is ExpressVPN, and I use it the most, to be honest. However, if you don't want to pay a slightly more expensive price, CyberGhost and NordVPN are great options, albeit they are a bit slower and they don't have the same level of support for gaming consoles as is the case with ExpressVPN. Until next time, this was all for today's video. We hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you smash the like button below, subscribe to our channel and stay with us because many more useful videos like this are coming on a daily basis. See you in the next video. Bye.